Here's one that I thought was an agate, but you couldn't really see through it. Look at that. Dang. I think the reason I couldn't really see through it was because it's not all chalcedony, but you can see through it now. What I decided on doing today, right now, get up over the 200 is when you start seeing it. But these, you know, just with the water, they look real good. Just trying to get them look like that all the time. This is what they look like without the water. So I just did the 200. You can't see the scratches when they're wet. Not really. So they all went from 400 to 800. Let's do the 1500. They're all redo these three on the 1500. And it's got 3,000 and 6,000 to go. So here they are. I just went through 3,000. This one's starting to show reflection too. This one has a little smiley face. The smiley face. This one looks pretty good. This is another one the same. It's not perfectly flat. Probably need to do this one again. Let me set them aside so I remember. This one came out a lot better than I thought. This one's pretty good. Big deep cuts from trying to do it from the first time. Even if I polished this good, it wouldn't have really shown like what this is. Because the buffing will get rid of those minor scratches. Where's the other one? Smiley face right here. Not so much now. All right, yeah, if you look at it further away. 2 eyes and a mouth. Here's the other side of smiley face. Smiley face. It's cool, you can see Reyes coming down.